Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can create a campaign in which you can specifically target any language you want. So for example, if you are targeting a GCC country, any Arab country or any country which has multiple languages and you want to target a single language users in that country, for example, Canada. So there are two type of people in Canada who speaks French and English. So you only want to target the French people in Canada. You can do it from your campaign. So I will show you how you can do it in simple steps. Before going into the video, let me tell you a little bit about myself. I've been helping out businesses and individuals optimizing their Facebook campaign with their Go High Level accounts. And if they are having trouble with their campaign performance and the lead qualities, I've been helping them optimize their Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and their Go High Level accounts. So if you're interested, I can also look over to your campaigns and help you optimize your campaigns. I will drop a link in the video description. You can book a call with me and I would love to help you out. So let's jump into our video. What you need to do for that. If you already have a campaign live or you're creating a new campaign, you can do it for both. So I have a sample campaign here. I'll go into the ad set or the campaign level here. And once we have the pop-up, we will go directly into the ad set level. So to set the language, we only need to change an option in the ad set level. We don't need to go into the campaign level or the ad level. So once we are in the ad set level, we can go directly to the audience section here. And you have the audience and everything set up here. So you can see I already have a save audience here. I can edit this audience or I can create a new audience from here. So let me first edit this one and show you how it's done. So when we click on edit here, it will show me a pop-up with all the audience setup I have done here. I will just scroll down and you can see the language option here. Once I click on it, it will ask me what language I need to target only. So if I type French here, it will only target the people who speak French, and you can add multiple languages. If I put Hindi, I can put Arabic. So all these people will be targeted in this location only. So I'm not targeting English speaking people. So I'm only focusing on these languages. So my budget will not waste on the users which I'm not targeting. And if my ads language is different, the people who speak English or any different language, they will not understand the ad and the impressions and everything will be lost in that campaign. So we can target our audience by language also and by the interest also. So here we are targeting with the language and we can update the campaign here, the ad here, and you can see that now it added the languages into my audience here. And you can easily do for the new ad set here. If I create a new ad set, so here I created a new ad set with no audience setup, and you will see the same if you created a fresh ad set in your campaign, something like this. And you just need to scroll down, go to the location setup here, click on see more, and you will see languages. So once you're here, you can just change your location, add more locations from here, any places which you are targeting. So let's say I'm targeting UAE, and after this I'll go down to the languages. So I'm only focusing on the Arabic language people. You will notice that the reach will come down. Now your ads are focusing on the correct audience, so your budget will not waste on the different languages, and now your campaign is more optimized. So now you will get a really good quality leads in your campaign. I hope this video helps you to understand how you can create a really good campaign and how you can reach the exact audience from your ad set. I'll see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and like this video. Thank you.